Welcome to the Learning Corner, where we believe knowledge is power meant to be shared. Join us on this enlightening journey by subscribing, sharing, commenting, and liking. Now, let's delve into today's topic. Have you ever wondered why certain foods make you feel sleepy, while others give you a burst of energy? This is not mere coincidence. The food we consume plays a vital role in how our brains function, impacting everything from our mood and concentration to our memory and mental stamina. The relationship between food and brain function is not just about energy. It's about the complex biological reactions triggered by the nutrients we ingest. For instance, carbohydrates, the body's main source of energy, are broken down into glucose, which fuels our brain and keeps us alert. On the flip side, consuming large amounts of carbohydrates can lead to a sudden spike and subsequent drop in blood sugar, causing us to feel sluggish and fatigued. Then there's protein, the building block of our body. It's rich in amino acids, which are essential for the production of neurotransmitters, chemicals that transmit signals in our brain. These neurotransmitters regulate our mood, sleep, concentration, and even our appetite. Therefore, eating a protein-rich meal can help enhance our mood and cognitive performance. And let's not forget about fats. Healthy fats, particularly omega-3 fatty acids, are crucial for brain health. They help build and maintain the structure of brain, promoting optimal brain function and protecting against cognitive decline. This brings us to the concept of brain foods. These are foods rich in nutrients that have been shown to enhance brain function. They include foods like oily fish, blueberries, turmeric, broccoli, pumpkin seeds, and dark chocolate, among others. Regular consumption of these foods can boost cognitive performance, improve memory, and even protect against mental disorders. It's clear that the food we eat plays an intricate role in how our brain functions. But it's not just about eating the right foods. It's about balance and moderation, understanding how different foods interact with our bodies, and making informed choices about what we consume. The foods we eat have a profound impact on our brain function, but how does this process actually work? Well, to understand this, we need to delve into the fascinating science behind the connection between our diet and our brain. So let's gear up for a deep dive in our upcoming scene. The food-brain connection is not a myth, it's a scientific fact. Indeed, the food we consume plays a pivotal role in our brain function. Various nutrients, antioxidants, and other substances found in food are all essential for our brain's optimal performance. For instance, omega-3 fatty acids, found in fish and chia seeds, are crucial for brain health. They contribute to the structure of brain cells and facilitate communication between them. Similarly, antioxidants present in fruits and vegetables protect our brain cells from damage caused by free radicals, reducing the risk of cognitive decline. But how does the food we eat reach our brain? That's where our digestive system comes into play. When we eat, our digestive system breaks down the food into nutrients, which then travel through our bloodstream to reach every cell in our body, including our brain cells. The process doesn't end there. Our digestive system communicates with our brain through hormones and neurotransmitters, creating a two-way street of communication often referred to as the gut-brain axis. For example, the hormone ghrelin, produced in the stomach, signals the brain when we're hungry. On the other hand, serotonin, a neurotransmitter that contributes to feelings of happiness and well-being, is largely produced in the gut. This shows just how interconnected our brain and gut truly are when it comes to food consumption. But to harness the power of this connection, we need to maintain a balanced diet. Consuming a variety of foods ensures we get a mix of different nutrients required for optimal brain function. Overloading on junk food can lead to nutrient deficiencies, while excessive consumption of certain nutrients can also be harmful. It's all about balance. So, next time you make a food choice, remember that you're not just feeding your body, you're also feeding your brain. It's important to choose foods that nourish both. So a balanced diet not only keeps your body healthy, but also your brain. Did you know your gut is often referred to as your second brain? Quite fascinating, isn't it? This is because the gut and the brain are connected via a bidirectional communication line known as the gut-brain axis. This axis allows for constant communication between the two, meaning the state of your gut can directly affect your brain. Think of your gut as a bustling city, populated by trillions of bacteria known as microbiota. These microbiota aren't just freeloaders, they're hardworking citizens contributing to the overall health of your gut city. One of their most important jobs is producing neurotransmitters, chemical messengers that help regulate mood and cognition. For instance, about 90% of serotonin, often called the happiness hormone, is produced in your gut. Serotonin influences mood, social behavior, appetite, digestion, sleep, and memory. So you can see how a healthy gut can lead to a happier, more balanced mood and better cognitive function. Similarly, your gut bacteria produce other neurotransmitters like dopamine and GABA, which regulate reward and relaxation respectively. These neurotransmitters play crucial roles in our mental well-being. A disruption in their production due to poor gut health can lead to mood disorders, anxiety, and depression. A healthy gut also means a healthy brain. The gut microbiota help maintain the integrity of the blood-brain barrier, which protects the brain from harmful substances. If this barrier is compromised due to poor gut health, it could lead to brain inflammation and cognitive decline. So, how can we ensure a healthy gut for optimal brain function? A balanced diet rich in fiber, fermented foods, fruits, and vegetables can nourish your gut bacteria. Additionally, reducing stress, getting enough sleep, and regular exercise can also support gut health. In essence, the health of your gut is intertwined with the health of your brain. A happy gut can lead to a happy brain. So taking care of your gut health is not just about digestive comfort, it's a vital part of mental well-being. Remember, taking care of your gut health is like taking care of your brain health. So, what are these so-called brain foods, and how can they boost your brain function? Let's dive right into it, starting with fatty fish. Jam-packed with omega-3 fatty acids, these slippery swimmers are a primary source of the healthy fats that your brain uses to build nerve and brain cells, essential for learning and memory. Next up, we have the humble blueberry. These tiny powerhouses are bursting with antioxidants that delay brain aging and enhance brain function. They're like a spa treatment for your brain cells, reducing inflammation and oxidative stress. Then there's turmeric, that vibrant spice that gives curry its golden hue. Its active ingredient, curcumin, can cross the blood-brain barrier and has been shown to directly enter the brain and benefit the cells there. It's a blessing for your brain, boosting mood and memory by increasing the growth hormone that helps brain cells grow. Now let's talk about broccoli. This green giant is loaded with antioxidants and vitamin K, believed to support brain health and protect the brain against damage. Pumpkin seeds are next on our list. They're packed with antioxidants and a rich source of magnesium, iron, zinc, and copper. Each of these nutrients is important for brain health, playing roles in nerve signaling, brain function, and the prevention of neurological diseases. But what about a treat for the sweet tooths among us? Dark chocolate is a legitimate brain food. It's filled with a few brain-boosting compounds, including flavonoids, caffeine, and antioxidants. Oranges are another great choice. They're high in vitamin C, which is key for preventing mental decline. Last but not least, let's not forget about eggs. They're a good source of several nutrients tied to brain health, including vitamins B6 and B12, folate, and choline. Choline is used by the body to produce acetylcholine, a neurotransmitter that helps regulate mood and memory. Incorporating these brain foods into your diet can make a big difference in your brain function. So why not give them a try and see what they can do for you? So, what's the takeaway from all of this? We've journeyed through a fascinating exploration of the intricate relationship between the food we consume and the function of our brain. We've discovered that the food we eat does more than just fill our stomachs. It fuels our minds, influences our moods, and can even shape our cognitive abilities. Our understanding of the science behind this connection has grown significantly. We've learned that our bodies are not just a collection of separate systems operating independently. Rather, they're interconnected, with the brain and stomach communicating and influencing each other. This communication allows our brain to signal hunger or fullness, and our stomach to inform the brain about the state of our gut health. Speaking of gut health, we've also delved into its vital role. The gut, often referred to as our second brain, is home to trillions of bacteria that play a crucial role in our overall health, including our brain health. A healthy gut equates to a healthy brain. It's not just about avoiding stomach troubles. It's about nurturing a thriving ecosystem within us that can support optimal brain function. Then we've got to the power of brain foods. We've discovered that some foods have a more profound impact on our brain function than others. Foods rich in omega-3 fatty acids, antioxidants, and other essential nutrients can enhance our brain power, improve our memory, and even ward off mental decline as we age. As we wrap up this journey, let's all take a moment to appreciate the profound impact our diet has on our brain health. It's a reminder that every bite we take is an opportunity to nourish our minds, not just our bodies. It's an invitation to become more mindful of what we put on our plates, to seek out foods that support our brain health, and to make dietary choices that reflect our respect for this amazing organ that governs our thoughts, emotions, and experiences. Remember, what you feed your body, you also feed your brain. Make wise choices for a healthier, happier mind.